Hi and welcome to this YouTube video. So I've just received my Fluance RT83 turntable. I chose the piano black finish. It was a tough choice between this and wood color, but I decided to go with the black. This mirror finish is really gorgeous. It's really something to look at. I'm very happy with the look of this turntable. I just received it. I'm just taking it out of the box now. And so, yeah, first impressions, really happy with this. Of course, the sound is the reason I got this turntable to begin with, the quality of the components. Fluance did say they were going to make an acrylic platter available soon or later on that will be upgradable to this RT83. And I've got this one with the Orthophone red stylus and cartridge. Also the Orthophone blue stylus is upgradable to the Orthophone red cartridge should I decide to upgrade that someday. But yeah, this is probably the acrylic platter is something I'm going to go for in the near future. And of course included in the box is the manual for setup and the proverbial white gloves to set everything up without leaving your little finger marks on different components. There you go. So in the turntable package you have this little booklet, Fluance Serious Performance. It's kind of like a little brochure here with all of their different products, speakers and turntables and accessories and stuff. After my purchase, I received an email that stated a cute little marketing phrase that said, you have made a sound choice. The turntable comes with an aluminum platter as such. And this is what is supplied with the RT83, so no acrylic platter here, but the aluminum platter. And if you're looking for the belt, like I was thinking it wasn't supplied, just to let you know, it's already fitted around the platter here, so that's where it was. You have the rubber mat that goes on the platter. I don't think this one is as thick as the one that was supplied with the Sony USB turntable, but there it is. You have the rubber mat. So it comes with a power cord, 45 adapter for 45s, obviously, and everything you need to set up your turntable. The weight here for the tone arm, obviously. And I will be pairing everything here with the Edifier 1700 bookshelf speakers. Those are powered speakers that I could use with a preamp. And then we have the RCA gold-plated connectors, also included in the package. So here we have the head shell, the included Orthophone red cartridge and stylus, and so they come pre-aligned in the box by the company Fluance. So this will be ready to set up on the turntable. And Fluance also supplies a small bubble level in the box to help level your turntable. Of course, the best way of doing that would be to level your furniture out first before you level the feet of the turntable. You can level the feet, but the feet only goes, you know, so much. There's only so much leveling you can do with the feet, so it should be for finer adjustment. But if you can level your furniture first and then after do the fine adjusting with the turntable feet, it's going to give you better results. And there are 3 adjustable rubber feet at the bottom here that have barely no contact with the surface, and so to absorb vibrations. See if I can focus here. So again, this is not only cool looking, but it looks like it's going to be really efficient. So you have three adjustable rubber feet with minimum contact to the surface. If you lift it here, it seems really absorbing for vibrations. Well done, Fluance. And this is the back of the turntable. It has an auto stop function that you could switch on or off, and I find that really interesting in case you're not around. Once your record ends, it will eventually stop on its own after a few revolutions, and so this was important to me to get on a turntable. So the auto stop function, really interesting. And the turntable also comes with dust cover and hinges. And I wasn't really interested in getting a USB turntable from the get-go, but since I tried the Sony USB turntable and I was able to rip some of my old vinyls that I haven't heard in many years from the 80s, my imports, I really got the bug there to get into that. So now I need USB. I need to rip those vinyls, listen to those vinyls. So yeah, so I created a new need for myself by trying the USB turntable. So now I got a USB preamp so that I'm able to do that with my new turntable. Now the only issue I had with this whole purchase delivery so far is that UPS left it on the doorstep. Thank God I was home, and I can't say 100% that they didn't ring the doorbell, because I was vacuuming at the time, so there is a possibility they didn't ring. I didn't hear anything. There is a possibility that they did ring, but whatever the case may be, they left this big box clearly identified on my doorstep, that it's a turntable, that it's a Fluance turntable, that it's a reference Fluance turntable. And so I happened to go down and find the package. Now, I would assume UPS should leave a calling card and for me to go pick up if there's no answer. So I was very surprised. I tried getting the delivery sent straight to the post office here to avoid any mishaps, and I could not do that. It could only be delivered at home. So this didn't give me a really good feeling, and the box is very well identified. It wasn't placed inside a generic box or anything. It was just left, as I'm showing you now, on my doorstep. So I don't know what's up with the UPS man there, or they're using their service, but that's how it came to my doorstep here in Quebec. So I just received the Neotech turntable scale for measuring the stylus force on turntables. Got this off of Amazon because I wasn't willing to wait a whole month for getting it from China, either through eBay or somewhere else. So it's only $14 on Amazon, and it came within a couple of days actually. So this is the booklet. It comes in many languages, and this is the actual scale. It comes with its own set of batteries, so I put 2 batteries in there, but it actually came with 3 batteries in this little kit here. This is the 3rd additional battery. It also comes with the 5-gram weight to measure the accuracy of your stylus scale. So power it on here. So just put the 5-gram in the center here, and it tracks exactly at 5 grams, telling you that the scale is accurate for your stylus. Now, why this is important: it will preserve the life of your stylus, it will preserve the life of your vinyls, and also you will be getting a much better sound out of your turntable, especially when using styluses such as the orthophone red or blue. You want the exact tracking force. So after balancing the tone arm with the weight and all that, getting the average weight needed, I will be putting the stylus in the center here to get the exact force needed to get better sound out of the turntable. And so I'll be setting up this turntable later today. So thank you for watching this video. I will leave some links in the description below, so should you wish to purchase any of the items presented today. And stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Bye for now.